Berkeley, and was an American philosopher, psychologist, and educational reformer. He was one of the most prominent American scholars in the first half of the 20th century. So, sikat siya nga tao. Tanaw niya na siya. Ngayon, the next proponent is based on this question, okay, I will ask, siyempre kung ano lang ka lang ibalik, random lang, mag-ask ko mga kung sa inyo participants na mag-guess kung saan inquiry-based learning approach is all about. So,
Sinimi Gomez.
Gomez.
sige, mag-volunteer ka. Big ones, we have big ones. And also, Mr. Juan, we have any idea?
Ito ba siya balik?
We have any idea?
So, what is inquiry-based learning all about? So, I guess in my own word, inquiry-based learning is an approach that makes the students more active in the classroom in terms of having questions and also interacting with the teacher. Can boost their confidence also
10 to 15 minutes lang.
their critical thinking. So, that's the inquiry-based learning.
Okay, thank you so much. Big one to be okay. Inquiry-based learning is student-centered approach to learning that encourages students to investigate and solve problems. So, tama ang answer ni Miss Tuan, Mr. Tuan, about sila ipa-answer ka kanina. Then, it's based on the idea that students learn best when they curious and actively engaged in the learning process. So, from the curiosity of the student and active engagement sa mga classes, makalearn sila is muna ang inquiry-based learning approach. So, how it works? How it works with the siya. So, example, start with a question. Teachers begin with question or problem for students to investigate. So, ang teacher is maghatag siya pagpunta siya question para kung kanina mga isang pagka kanina ito pinagawa ng ibutang questions about questions all about. Then, ang sunod is students research the topic. So, mag-research na ang students about sa topic. Kaganina, wala na ito research since wala na mga about sa concept sa inquiry-based questions and gather evidence to answer the question. So, sa pag-research, bawal niya na mga important na mga concept, pag-gather niya tanan, then, pag na, students share their findings and conclusion with others. So, hanay ang brainstorming, ibali na tayo, explain sa mga kawal ng mga nakapayang answer. So, what is siya? Then, natin mga phases of inquiry-based learning approach. Pinakauna is the application, introduction to the topic. In a learning context, refers to the initial stage of introducing a new topic or subject to students. It's like setting the stage for a learning journey. Think of it as a roadmap that helps students understand where they are going and what we will be exploring. So, muna ang pag-propose sa topic, kung sa'yo dapat explore sa mga subjective, dito sa orientation. Diba sa orientation, kung sa'yo may tabo sa orientation, so,
Introduction to the topic.
Then the next phase is conceptualizing In a learning context, reinforcement stage or students actively engage with the topic by generating questions and formulating hypotheses. So siguro, nga na siya, nga na, ay mga hypothesis. It's about moving beyond passive absorption of information and diving into a more critical and creative exploration of the subject matter. So, dili na lang ka mag-una-una kung saan mo pag-find out or kung saan mo pagkuhan para ma-find out mo na specific topic ng natag. So, the next phase is the investigation na dayon. Dili na tayo magsuod ang learning context, the active exploration and experimentation phase where students deliver a delve deeper into the topic to gather evidence, test hypotheses, and refine their understanding. It's about moving from conceptual ideas to hands-on learning discovery. So, dila na yan, mag-imot ka mga, or rin mag-imot ka mga experiment. Paraan na ikuan, paraan na mag-imot ka experiment. Marami man magsago ng oil, ang water. So, dito na yan, mag-proceed ka sa procedure. So, i-try na ito ikuan, i-try na ito magsago ng oil. So, dito na ito find out, dito na ito magsago ng hands-on learning. Then another phase is the conclusion. Learning context is the active exploration and experimentation phase where students okay, for the conclusion na dayon, sa mga ito, mao ay nga, sa mga ito, makakuha na yung conclusion nito. Mao ay ang oil, ang water, this magsabol is mas denser ay ang oil sa water. Sa concept sa ato ang fluid mechanics, di ba? Mas denser ang kuwan. Mas denser ang oil. So, mga yung conclusion na dayon. Dayon, sa discussion na dayon, discuss sa dynamic change of ideas that foster both individual and collective growth and encourages reflection through critical examination of beliefs and communication through sharing perspectives and building consensus. Ultimately, discussion is a powerful fusion of these two processes, driving progress on both personal and societal level. So, rin, mag-discuss na tayo about sa mga kuwan sa hindi ko sa mga group or discuss yung experience picture kung sa mga kami then isa po siya mag-sample isa po siya mag-sample is ka ng outcome ka ng teacher mo ka kung ano man nga pag-switch on sa switch sa suga ano masito na siya pag-switch ko ano palo man so kabalo ng tahanan so bis anak ikaw sa student, explore sa student, kung sa mga komentado. Nari mo yung charge na ito. Then, the benefits of interactive learning can help students develop critical thinking, research, and communication skills. So, okay ito, research sila, mag-discuss tayo, after sila nakapagalan ng information. It can help students become more engaged with the material and more motivated to learn. So, the more na pukaw ang interest sa mga estudyante, mas makalearn sila, di ba?
Yes.
Have you ever atin sa klase na wala kay interest, di ba? Cellphone lang lang. At the end of the lesson, wala kayo learn. Okay, interest. So, it can help students develop a more flexible approach to learning. So, makakita sila mga paagi. Sa mga is nainahintag mga paagi, nainahintag na tawag na learning, learning strategies na mukuhan sa tao like okay. There are some of us na makalearn sila kung kumain ka ng music sa understand sila. Makalearn sila ng music. Ako ito yung makalearn kung ilong na lang pala. So, kaya makakuhan naman. And learning ay strategies na makabalik ka. So, for one, makakuhan ka naman. And helps students develop